Hello class and welcome to week 4 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you'll be working on the Health Learning module. That is the module that comes after the Tech Learning module. And I'd like to make one comment about the Tech Learning module. While I finish working on your essays, I'd like you to check my grades periodically to see if your grade is there for the essay. And if you need to revise the essay if you get below a 70%. Otherwise, I'd like you to still look at my notes to you in the essay and the inline grading so that you'll know what to do for next time and what issues to avoid for next time. Well, let's move on to the Health Learning module. For the Health Learning module, you'll be, of course, learning about foods and the government's policy regarding foods and other kinds of issues related to food, sugar, and so forth. For this week, we'll be working on the Health Learning module for week 1. For week 1, you'll be starting the week with the Lumen resources. Then you'll be doing some readings about the national food policy and dirty little secrets of the food processing industry. So let's go to the discussion board. For the discussion board, you will be looking at citing sources, practice in Lumen, and make sure to look at the Lumen, which is on the navigation bar tab, and then you'll be doing some quoting, paraphrasing, and avoiding plagiarism practice, as well as formatting the works cited page in MLA. So please make sure to work on that for Lumen, okay? Later in the week, you'll be working on the Health Week 1 discussion board post. And this is, of course, a critical analysis to the readings you've worked on. Okay, so for the discussion board, you will need to create 2 to 3 paragraphs. Please no bullet points related to the topic. Related to Bittman's article describing how the current U.S. food system impacts children. You'll be relating to points A and B, and also to Fallon's article about the harmful ways in which commercial foods are processed. And of course, this one has an A, a B, and a C. Please make sure to organize your paragraphs by topic in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Include at least one quotation or paraphrased idea from each of the 2 readings. For each of the quoted or paraphrased, include MLA-style in-text citation. That would be the last name of the author and the page or paragraph number. And between the last name of the author and the page, please, no commas and no PG symbols. Just the last name, space, page number, or paragraph number. And of course, include a works cited page with a listing of all the sources that you used for the paragraphs. After you've posted, please don't forget that you need to respond to at least 2 other classmates' posts. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.